from your office, nagpadala kayo ng communication.
Yes, sir.
To what office?
Ang last
Hindi, wag ganon.
Yes, sir.
Colonel Cunanan, we are wasting time here eh.
Copy of the communication.
Sang office mo in-endorse? Is it sa Chief PNP or DPRM?
Personally, hindi ko po nakita yung communication, but
Hindi,
my
ganito,
secretary...
Colonel Cunanan. Nakakaya sa mga resource persons natin eh, para tayong nagsasayang ng oras dito eh.
Gusto ko lang pong balikan si Colonel Cunanan kasi paiba-ibang sagot mo kanina. Ba't hindi ka sigurado? Nung tinanong ka kanina, sinagot mo PCDS.
Yes, sir.
Tinanong kita ngayon, parang hindi ka sigurado. Saan
Your
mo ba
Honor,
talaga pinadala?
Your Honor, I'm not the signatory of the letter po. Kasi
Iyon
I
na
just
nga
read
ang
it.
problema eh. Kasi tinatanong ka ni Colonel Busita, now Congressman Busita, sinabi mo PCDS, now you're telling us that you're not officially affect ng signature doon? Ano ba talaga?
Sir Chair, doon lang po sa concern dito. Nandito po tayo to conduct investigation. And most of the resource persons na dapat nandito ay wala ngayon, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang malinawan kay Colonel Cunanan. Nandiyan po ba? Mr. Chair, pwede bang malaman kay Colonel Cunanan, kailan mo nalaman yung invitation dito sa mga resource persons?
Sir, last Friday, COMSEC sent us the invitations. First, the retired PNP chiefs.
So,
And then,
nalaman mo through email and totoo ba na nagkausap pa kayo ni COMSEC?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. After na malaman mo, anong ginawa mo?
Sir, I requested our department to force through the communication to PRBS dahil retired na po yung mga officers natin.
Hindi, wag yun ganun sagot mo.
Yes, sir.
Siyempre, sa PNP, once you receive communication, pag nabasa mo, anong ginawa mo? Pinadala mo ba? In-endorse mo ba sa higher headquarters? O ano? Sabihin mo.
Yes, sir. I requested our department to ipadala po sa right unit ng PNP.
Okay. Para klaro sa lahat, from your office, nagpadala kayo ng communication.
Yes, sir.
To what office?
Ang last
Hindi, wag ganon.
Yes, sir.
Colonel Cunanan, we are wasting time here eh. Ang tanong sa'yo, nung ma-receive mo, inaksyonan ninyo, tama?
Yes, sir.
May ginawa kayong formal endorsement?
Yes, sir. Meron po.
Okay. Kaya mong isubmit yan sa committee?
Yes, sir. We will,
Okay.
I will request for the copy of the communication.
Sang office mo in-endorse? Is it sa Chief PNP or DPRM?
Personally, hindi ko po nakita yung communication, but
Hindi,
my
ganito,
secretary...
Colonel Cunanan. Nakakaya sa mga resource persons natin eh, para tayong nagsasayang ng oras dito eh. Gusto kong maklaro, from your office, gumawa kayo ng formal endorsement
Yes, sir.
do sa letter
Yes,
or
sir.
invitation.
Yes, sir.
Kanino naka-address yung letter ninyo?
Sir, though I haven't seen personally...
Sabihin mo ng
the letter.
diretso, gumawa kayo, hindi.
Sir, gumawa po kami, sir.
Kanino naka-address?
Sir, kay Chief PNP, sir, kasi...
Okay,
sir.
wag nang kasi. Kasi limited time tayo.
Yes,
So, naka-address kay Chief PNP. Siyempre, pwedeng for the Chief PNP, attention DPRM. Meron pa bang ibang office concern kung saan mo pinadala o direkta sa Office of the Chief PNP?
Sir, kay TCDS, sir.
Oh, TCDS. Can you prove that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Mr. Chair, nililinaw ko po ito. Para malinaw sa atin, ginawa po ni Colonel Cunanan ng office niya. Yun dapat niyang gampanan. Yun po ang dapat nating matrace. After na masend sa office of the TCDS, what happened? The Chief Directorial Staff, Mr. Chair. So, kasi po, kung babakbakan natin si Colonel Cunanan halimbawa, pati yung major na legal officer, parang mali. Dapat klaro kung sino yung responsible, sino yung hindi nag-act accordingly. Yun dapat, Mr. Chair, ang mabigyan ng show cause order. Kasi kawawa yung ibang junior officers namimilipit, hindi alam ang isasagot So for that matter, Mr. Chair, malinaw po na ginawa ni Colonel Cunanan from his office yung trabaho nila. And according to him, mapuprove niya, sinabit yung communication sa office of the TCDS ng PNP. Then after that, sino yung hindi ginampanan yung trabaho, kaya tayo, mga nakanganga dito. Hindi alam ng mga resource persons na dapat nandito sila ngayon. Sayang yung oras kasi, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Do you have any interjection, Congressman Carap?
Anyway, this is just all administrative matters, Mr. Chairman. Well, in fact, I have not yet proceeded with regards to documents being requested by this committee during the previous hearing. But, gusto ko lang pong balikan si Colonel Cunanan kasi paiba-ibang sagot mo kanina. Now you have submitted that invitation doon sa kanino? Ano na office? Ba't hindi ka sigurado? Nung tinanong ka kanina, sinagot mo PCDS.
Yes, sir.
Tinanong kita ngayon, parang hindi ka sigurado. Saan
Your
mo ba
Honor,
talaga pinadala?
Your Honor, I'm not the signatory of the letter po. Kasi
Iyon
I
na
just
nga
read
ang
it.
problema Kasi tinatanong ka ni Colonel Busita, now Congressman Busita, sinabi mo PCDS, now you're telling us that you're not officially affect ng signature doon? Ano ba talaga?
It was my boss, sir, who signed the signature to the TCDS.
Then you produce the document
Yes, sir.
that you're telling Congressman Busita.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, better invite in next hearing yung opisina ng PCDS para at least malinaw to. Isa naman ngayon, we don't have any conclusion yet. But as per the answer of Colonel Cunanan, paiba-iba yung sagot niya. Kaya nakakalito nga. Kaya just to confirm, please submit the document and better invite in the next hearing the PCDS. Now, Mr. Chairman, there are still resource persons that were invited and as of today, they are not present, particularly the former CIDG Police Major General Romeo Karamat, who is present last hearing, now is not present. Did he confirm? And mayroon ba siyang communication? Why is not present in today's hearing? Yeah. So no reply. But he has received.
Yes.
Do you have a received copy for that?
So we sent.
Pero sigurado natanggap niya. But no reply. Mr. Chairman, I move that we will issue a show cause order for Police Major General Romeo Karamat for not attending today's hearing without any explanation why she should be cited in contempt, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion. Is there any second to that? Okay, been moved seconded.
Mr. Chairman, I just want to clear it. It is just a show cause order. Well, in fact, that is not a subpoena. Just a show cause order. Number 2, Mr. Chairman, ideya, nandito naman. Si Soljan, former DOJ Secretary, was not present in today's hearing, but he has sent us letter of excuse. Do we have that copy? Kindly give the members of this committee so that they will be appraised with regards to the letter explanation of Solgen. The former Solgen, Attorney Jose Caleda, is he present today? We cannot locate Solgen, former Solgen Caleda. Or then better coordinate with Mr. Chairman. I move that the SAA and COMSEC will coordinate with PNP and NBI to once again send the invitation for former Solgen, Attorney Jose Caleda.
There's a motion. Is there any second?
Now, next, Mr. Chairman.
No. Okay, no objection. It's approved.
Next, Mr. Chairman, most, if not all, of the former PNP chief, nandito po, si PNP chief, former PNP chief Salinas, nandito, si Albialde, nandito. But the one who that was invited was former retired Lieutenant General Vicente Danao, former OIC PNP chief, not present today. Do we receive any letter explanation?
Is there any explanation from General Danao?
Hindi na. So, confirm na receive niya, wala? You sent him an email, baka ang email niya, hindi na gumagana yon. Ang question is, do you have a received copy with that email? Wala. Wala. So then, Mr. Chairman, I move that we will issue again an invitation for former OIC PNP Chief, Lieutenant General Vicente Danao, and to be coordinated with the Philippine National Police, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion. No objection. Hereby approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And next is former PDEA Director General Wilkins Villanueva from May 2020 to October 2022. He's the former director of PDEA.
He was present the first hearing. Yes.
He was present the first hearing, but now he's still invited. He's not present. Did he receive the invitation? Do you have a received copy for that? Via email. So, Mr. Chairman, since he was present in the first hearing and now he's absent, I would just like to, Mr. Chairman, to reiterate that he will be sent an invitation for the next hearing. Pwede naman po kasi first hearing nandito siya.
Okay. All
Now,
right.
Okay, that's all for the invitees, Mr. Chairman, who is not present at today's hearing. Now, let me proceed, Mr. Chairman, as part of this administrative work of this committee, Mr. Chairman. Number one, Mr. Chairman, we have sent a letter to Rappler. We have requested Rappler to duly validate the veracity of the news content as cited by Attorney Conte's presentation. Is Attorney Conte present today? And based on the remarks coming from the COMSEC, it was acknowledged by Rappler, but we have not received the answer reply with regards to the validation of that veracity of the news content. Is Rappler present, Mr. Chairman? Wala po.
I don't think so.
So Mr. Chair, are they invited?
Yeah.
Oh, so Mr.
Yeah.
Chairman, are they present, Curio? No. So, Mr. Chairman, since Rappler is present in today's hearing, and they were invited, may I move, Mr. Chairman, that Rappler will be issued a COCOS order to explain why they should not be cited in contempt for not answering the request of this, the invitation of this committee, Mr. Chairman. At the same time, Mr. Chairman, to reiterate the validation of the veracity of the news content cited by Attorney Conte during the first hearing, Mr. Chairman. So,
There's a motion,
Invitation ba yan?
invitation to invite
No,
Rappler.
Showcase.
Showcase na.
Because-
Showcase.
Yeah, showcase.
Second motion.
Okay.
Mr.
Moved and
Chair.
seconded.
Mr. Chair.
No
Mr.
objection.
Chairman,
For clarification.
they were not invited para today's hearing. We just requested the document. So, I will just like to amend my motion, Mr. Chairman. I move that Rappler will be invited into next hearing. At the same time, submit the document being requested by ordered by this committee before the next hearing, Mr. Chairman.
There's
So
a
move, Mr.
motion.
Chairman.
Any second?
Mr. Chair, may I have some clarification? Dun sa Rappler, sino po ba yung pinapa-invite natin?
Anybody
Yung
that can answer the query in this committee?
Anyone in the Rappler.
On the news item?
Oh, news item.
Okay.
Any second? Motion yun.
Yeah.
Okay. Motion is approved.
Next, with regards to administrative documents being asked by this committee, Mr. Chairman, is the document being requested from the NBI, the data on drug operations which resulted in the deaths during PRRD administration. Ang remarks was only, the letter was acknowledged. Is NBI present today? Do you have the document, sir?
We have the partial report, Mr. Chair.
You have the partial report. Have you
Yes.
submitted that to the committee?
Not yet, Mr. Chair.
So please submit that partial report and then please fully comply on the next before the next hearing.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank
We'll
you.
comply.
Thank you, Chairman. And lastly, Mr. Chairman, no, not the last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 items, Mr. Chairman. Number 1, Mr. Chairman, interim and final report on the internal cleansing program of PNP signed by former PNP Chief General Albayalde. PNP, have you submitted this document? You have acknowledged the letter, but you have not submitted it to this committee.
Mr. Chair, may I ask again the particular document requested?
Yung for internal cleansing during the time of General Albayalde. Interim and final report.
I will follow it up, Mr. Chair.
You are not present last hearing.
I was present, Mr. Chair.
You were present.
Yes, Mr.
So your staff or you have not taken notes.
I have
on
taken
that
notes,
request.
Mr. Chair.
Oh, please check and
Yes.
please submit it before the next hearing.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And next, Mr. Chairman, PNP pa rin to. A copy of the Memorandum of Understanding signed on July 17 between PNP and CHR. MOU. Mayroon ba kayong copy dyan ngayon?
Mr. Chairman, from Colonel Magsino po, from Human Rights Affairs Office of the PNP.
Go ahead, Colonel Mugsino.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, actually, upon receipt of the...
You have taken your oath, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I don't need for you to discuss about it. I'm just asking the document to be submitted in this committee being required during the last hearing. Did you submit?
I have a hard copy of...
Please submit now. Please submit it to the committee. That is the MOU. Tama?
MOU between CHR
And
and...
PNP.
PNP and CR, sir.
Yeah.
NCR. NCRPO.
It's only PNP and NCR.
Yes, sir.
What we are asking is the MOU between PNP and CHR. CHR, Committee on Human Rights.
Actually, yung proposed MOU ay ongoing pa, sir, under study pa between CHR and PNP.
What is this signed July 17? Ano yung hawak mo? NCR lang.
NCR, sir.
Draft. And so the MOU is only NCR level,
Yes, sir.
not national level.
No, sir.
Then submit that draft.
Yes, sir.
It was not yet signed.
Signed by the former NCR director and the former chairperson of CHR.
NCR director, sino yon?
Ang nakasulat dito, sir, Police Deputy Director General Reynaldo P. Varilla for NCRPO, and for the chairperson of CHR is Honorable Bonifacio C. Kisumbing.
Kailan yan? Please check the date.
September 2007.
That's not the one daw, sabi ni Comsec. It's Colonel Badio daw that mentioned about it. Is Colonel Badio present today? Yes,
General Balde is represented by Colonel Magsino, Mr.
but you have You have take note of that request last hearing?
No, Mr. Chair.
Oh. The representative of Colonel Baldeo is present. Sino po yun? Ikaw po. So, you're telling us now that it is an NCR, CHR. NCRP on CHR. MOU. Tama? Please.
Actually, baka nagkamali sir yung binanggit ni Brigadier General Baldeo regarding taon. Kasi 17 ang sinabi niya, 2007 naman nandito sa amin sir.
Anyway, please submit na lang po, no?
Yes, sir.
And, Comsec, please check na lang the minutes of the last hearing para malinaw po if it's either NCR or national. Next, Mr. Chairman, PNP pa rin to. All command memorandum circulars and operation of PNP and War on Drugs campaign. Have you submitted? Do you have a copy of that? Generally?
Yes, sir. We have submitted that already, sir.
When? When did you submit it?
Sir, yung...
Wala pa, wala pa.
Yeah,
have not
generally, wala pa po. Pag-iano lang, if you have a copy. Yes?
We have a copy, sir. The hard copy which was submitted by Directorate for Operation was forwarded to our Chief PNP for his signature in the endorsement. Pero hanggang ngayon di pa napirmahan. Pero mayroon kaming dala-dala na hard copy consolidating all the memorandum circular regarding...
pakasabit lang po. But that,
yes,
that is not yet official. Please tell your PNP chief that he should sign that document. And then bring that document before the next... submit the document before the next hearing.
Is that the same thing that... That's the same thing generally saying?
Yes, sir. It's the same, sir.
Oh.
Chairman, kindly... the PNP should submit it today, though it's a draft, just for the guidance of the members of this committee. At the same time, the official document that should be signed by the PNP chief should be submitted before the next hearing, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, before we start sa mga resource speakers, no?
Sandali, hindi pa ako tapos.
Hindi ko ba tapos? Ang
May
haba
dalawa
na eh.
pa.
Okay, Mr. Chair, sorry.
Relax.
Sige, go ahead.
Relax, Gob, relax. Anyway, second to the last na lang po to. PNP inventory of cases filed during the operations on War on Drugs campaign. PNP pa rin to. Generally, you have not submitted this inventory of cases filed during the operations on War on Drugs campaign.
Sir, come again, sir.
Inventory of cases filed during the operations on War on Drugs campaign.
Sir, that is for the DIDM to comply, sir.
The IDM.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we have it, this report, Mr. Chair.
As you have now in your possession.
We have it now, Mr.
Please submit it to this committee.
We will do so, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Chairman. Last na lang, Chairman. PNP pa rin to. Data on the 6,252 alleged EJK per region. Have you submitted it?
It's in one report already, Mr. Chair.
So,
along with it.
You have just submitted today or you're
We will
still...
submit now, Mr. Chair.
Please
We have
submit it now.
We have it, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Chairman. That's all.
Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Napansin ko lamang po, no, bago tayo tumungo sa ating mga resource speakers, napansin ko lamang po that those documents that are being asked by this committee, it's either hindi pa nila nasasubmit or isasubmit lang nila today sa hearing. And lost opportunity na po tayo, Mr. Chairman. And that's the reason why we asked that no the last hearing, para at least may mapag-usapan tayo lengthy dito po sa gaganapin nating hearing. And unfortunately, it's either hindi pa nabibigay or ngayon lamang ibibigay. So may we remind the resource speaker na sana po kapag may mga hiningi kami mga dokumento, submit na 3 days prior to the hearing. And reminding also the COMSEC to remind yung ating pong mga resource speakers to submit it on the right rightly time. Para na sa ganun, nababasa po ng mga members. Kasi very crucial po yung mga hiningi natin dokumento. And I believe that one of the documents that were asked, ni-request ko po yan. And that's the reason hindi ko pa alam at kung ano pang itatanong ko. Dahil nakabase po yan dyan. So, sana po ay yun ang gawin ng ating COMSEC and also the resource speakers. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.